It is time to do a little bit of cleanup.
So I just finished welding, getting all those spot welds, taken care of with full length welds. And sometimes it's just very difficult to determine where the low spots are. So I found that doing a good grinding over the top of it, it really helps me find where those low spots are, so I can fill those in and do a finish welding later. So this is just a bunch of grinding that I had to do to make that happen.
All right, well, grinding, you can see where the gaps are a little bit better, so I'll do my second weld to fill this up, and then my plan is to grind that off smooth, and probably on the inside of here weld some kind of a steel, like a what they call that, a fish scale. Yeah, I saw Trey German do that, and I think that's a great idea, just to keep that a little stronger, because this cut is all the way down. It'd be great to have something to kind of hold that together, especially in the tongue area where it's going to probably see a lot of stress. And that looks a heck of a lot better. Now to get the rest of this done. All right, I believe I'm 90% done with all of the exterior welding and grinding. It's all looking pretty good. I think I'm going to need to make some fish scales, and well, I do have these scraps, got 4 of them that I cut out of the frame. Let's make them out of that, shall we? That's one of them, and that is I think a really good spot for it. Put one on the inside right here, and I think that's going to be good to go. I noticed the other day when I was doing some editing that when I was pounding these things out, that my camera died, and you didn't actually get to see the result of that propane torch and what it can do to this metal, how easy it is to bend. So I'm going to try that again. We'll give her one more shot. Looks perfectly straight. All right, well, now that I'm done with welding and a lot of the grinding, we're just going to finish it up with this sanding disc to make sure everything is well, not really polished, but all the grind marks are out of it. Okay? All right, some good old brake fluid. I'm sorry, brake parts cleaner, not brake fluid. Just doing my part to keep it warm for you guys. A little bit of global warming for you. I lucked out. One of them fits. That's about as dull a drill bit as I've ever seen in my life. This will be a brief interlude with Malachi. Come along with us. All right, so we were outside of a Walmart today. It's because the mission and Walmart are coming together as partners to help the homeless. Pretty cool.
Yeah, and I know.
The lighting is awful, but we're here at Walmart. Can we get the sign in there?
Probably.
There it is.
There you go. Oh, you did get it.
And we're here with the awesome employees of Walmart, and we are doing some good stuff for the gospel mission. He brought out this entire pallet of blankets, and we're filling up the back of Malachi. Awesome. So here I used a combination of the hot drill plus a regular drill, and I have the holes cut, and I also put some brake cleaner on it, repainted it, and now I am going to need to install the 3/4 inch 8 grade bolts, and that should do it. Well, hey guys, I want to thank you for joining me today. Finally got that Lunette ring on there and I am so stoked. So next is I got to put some tires on and figure out a way to run some air back to those rear brakes so I can unlock those and I can pull this out of here and finish her on up. Till next time, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. You guys be safe out there and God bless. Hey guys, I really appreciate you watching this. Thank you so very much for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe by clicking on my face. And please, if you got something out of it, you learned something, leave a comment, leave a like for me. I really appreciate it. It really helps. Thank you so very much. I'll catch you guys next time.